So I can't do this with the two hands I have. So anyhow, we're at top dead center. Valve lifters are all the way down. We are at the highest point on compression. According to the article that I got the plans out of, it says, I learned from so-and-so that an engine will run with the exhaust opening at around 40 degrees after top dead center. So we're going to watch. I can't show it to you both, but I'm going to put the camera on here, and you'll see that they're both down. This one here is the exhaust. This outside one is the exhaust. So I don't know if that's gonna, well, yeah, I don't think that's gonna work, but anyhow, so we got 10, 20, 30. This is where I'm going to see if I have to move my camshaft or not. There's 45, 60. There, it's just starting to move. So we're about double where we're supposed to be, and that's what I wanted to know. Now I got to figure out how to set it back to where I need it to be 40 degrees, because I think we're kind of opening just about between 75 and 80. So it looks to me I'm about 35 degrees off. So now I'm going to have to take this cover off right here, and we're going to have to move this gear so many teeth to get it to open at a different angle, or a different degree, I'm sorry, different degree. So that's my fun right now.